Tomorrow sounds good, with its new words, hot tips and best-kept secrets, like local beats, touring bands and classic tunes. It's the cheer of birdsong, crashing waves and sleepless cities.
Tomorrow looks good, with familiar faces, colorful characters, and deep blue seas, like nothing you imagined, everything you dreamed, bright as a canopy of stars.
It's your first flight, first night in town, and setting off at first light.
Tomorrow feels good with best laid plans, the best in town, and the best you've ever had.
Like sealed deals, bucket lists, and being there when it counts.
It's a home away from home.
The thrill of the unknown.
In it together
Or alone. Tomorrow isn't a world away.
Stay home for now.
Dream forever.